Drivers behind the line, we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alrighty, I'm gonna call into qualification match number 71 here in the technology field. Over in the blue alliance, I see 2 cones, 1 cube scored in 69.78, trying to engage on that charge station. Over the red alliance, I see 3 cones, 4 cones scored, 2 cubes, and 2086 has engaged on that charge station for the red alliance. And we're into the teleoperated period. Immediately 2200 racing over to the red alliance substation. Looks like trying to grab a cone to bring back to their community. The blue alliance is doing the same, 8089. Lining up at their substation, trying to grab a cone, along with 6978, and then racing back to their community. Lots of collisions going on between these teams as they race back and forth, trying to get as many points as possible. Over on the red alliance, 2200s back over at their substation, grabbing another cone, and they're racing back to their community. 7558's following them, grabbing another cone as well. Looks like 2200's placed another cone, completing another link. Red Alliance has 2 links so far. Blue Alliance has 1 link so far. Looks like on the Blue Alliance, 8089 lining up at their substation, trying to grab another cone, and they grab it, racing back over their community to find a place to score that. 2056 over on the Red Alliance, lining up to place a cone, completing another link for the Red Alliance. 1241 on the Blue Alliance, has a cone in their intake, lining up to place that somewhere over in the Blue Alliance's grid, and they place it, but it falls down and lands in the low row. That still counts. 2056 back over on the Red Alliance, places a cone, then races back over to the middle of the field, grabbing another game piece to score for the Red Alliance. Over for the Blue Alliance, looks like 6978, lining up to grab a cube from their substation, and then racing back to the Blue Alliance's community. 1241 doing the same, grabbing a cone and racing back to the Blue Alliance community, finding a place to score that. 2200 and 7558 all racing their substation along with 2056. It's a party at the Red Alliance substation. Grabbing cones and cubes, bringing back to the Red Alliance's grid. Looks like their grid is almost completely filled for the Red Alliance. Back on the Blue Alliance, we have 2 robots trying to engage. Look, we have 2 robots engaged on the Blue Alliance. We got 2 robots engaged on the Red Alliance. Will we have 3? Looks like the Red Alliance's grid is completely filled almost. And we have 3 seconds left in the match. 3 robots engaged on the Blue Alliance, 2 robots engaged on the Red Alliance. And we'll have your final score for that match in just a moment.
He sang Long John Sally, Sweet 16, good gal in the Smiley and a Maybelline. He said the whole world walking
and the scores are in. Let's take a look at who won that match. And it goes to the Red Alliance. With a score of 174 to 116, the Red Alliance walk away with 4 ranking points. On the Red Alliance, 2056 is holding that 2nd place strong, while 7558 moving up to 5th and 2200 is moving up to 7th.